Right, let's take a look at the daily chart of AMGN. So we have here the daily chart of AMGN. Stock climbing up all the way here and was doing quite well, making new highs until, wow, these two bearish bars really destroyed the movement that it made here. So right now, the stock is trading at the support area. We need to go to the weekly chart to have a bigger picture first. Looking at the daily chart can be very helpful. At this moment, it's sitting at the weekly 20 MA. You can see in the past here, it was able to find support at the weekly 20 MA. So maybe this time it can as well. And if you can look at the weekly chart, you can actually see that it is sitting at a very nice long-term support area. So we have one previous high here and another previous high. And if you learn about technical analysis, support and resistance, previous high once overcome, right? It traded above the previous high. The previous high once overcome becomes a new area of support, and which is why, despite the large red candle here on heavy volume, immediately a smaller candle form and a green candle form because it's trying to find support at this area. Okay, so this will be a very significant area that you want to watch. It's good also for us sometimes to draw trend lines. You can see that the stock is sitting around trend lines. Trend lines are subjective support areas, and different traders and technical analysts will draw different types of trend lines, but I make a simple one here connecting as many lows as possible. And right now AMGN is sitting at price support and a subjective trend line support as well, so that gives a double support and also at the rising 20 MA. So what you want to do is look for it to stabilize, really stabilize, and if it stabilizes and form a bullish reversal chart pattern in the daily chart, okay, this is the weekly chart, you can see this is a support. If it forms a bullish reversal chart pattern in the daily chart, you can actually buy the stock and then ride it higher. Okay, this is a intelligent way of buying dips. Just like here, there is a nice rise and the stock decline, form a bottoming tail at this previous high. Previous high is a support area, and a trader can buy above the bottoming tail, ride it higher for a few weeks. Okay, this is a weekly chart, and here that might be also triangle bottoming. Traders can buy here, ride it higher. Here we also have a bottoming tail. Traders can buy above the bottoming tail, put a stop loss and ride it higher. So we want to see if there is a bullish reversal chart pattern or a bullish reversal Japanese candlestick pattern for traders to trade. Now it's also a good idea to look at monthly charts as well. Monthly charts is not doing that bad despite the nasty red bars, right, in the daily and weekly chart. You can see the stock has given investors very good return over the years. From 2011, when it was about 60 over USD, it has gone up to 286 at this moment. So it's about I would say 4.5 to 5 times return if you have bought around here. But generally you want to look at a long-term trend. This is a monthly chart, and what does this tell you? It's been moving from lower left to upper right, and this is a high quality kind of investment stock where you buy, just forget about it for months, because even it's chugging higher. The reason why the stock chart is moving from lower left to upper right is because the company is making money. Generally it's like this, and it's a Nasdaq 100 stock. So if it's trending up, generally it's making money, and it's a good long-term investment if you are an investor. And what you want to learn from here is that the stock has has a rising 20 MA, rising 50 MA, and rising 200 MA, which points to more long-term gains in this stock. Okay, now let's go back to the daily chart. Daily chart so far, I wouldn't, if you ask me, I wouldn't buy at this moment, because what I want to do is to see it really stabilize, maybe from a double bottom. Okay, trade up, maybe double bottom, and then you want to buy it for a short-term trade. Okay, what I would like to see is for it to go back above this daily 20 MA. Okay, then maybe we can consider buying it. Okay, because this is a very nasty sell-off. Okay, usually when you have this nasty sell-off, big red bars, you want it to stabilize before moving up. Okay, let's go to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, you can see that it has gone back above the 50 MA. There might be a bullish cross. So what we want to see is that this is a trading range. Okay, let me just remove the drawing tools. Okay, you can see that it was in a downtrend in the 60-minute chart, but trying to make a new higher low here. So if it can go up, make a higher low, then we might see it start a new 60-minute uptrend. And here's a little double bottom here of a reference. If the stock is able to stay above this 60-minute double bottom, most likely it will just trade sideways and move higher. So this is a reference point for short-term traders. So I hope this analysis has been helpful, and if it's helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this, and I will see you in the next one.